Coral reefs are very sensitive to climate change, and they're the first ones that we're really seeing the impacts of all this CO2 emissions into the atmosphere that's causing the planet to warm up. My name is Lyle Vail. I'm one of the directors of the Australian Museum's Lizard Island Research Station, located about 260 kilometers north of Cairns on the northern section of the Great Barrier Reef. In the summer of 2016, we had a very severe mass bleaching event in this whole area, not just at Lizard Island, but for hundreds of kilometers around here. We had several months, 2 or 3, almost up to 4 months of way above normal sea surface temperatures. Due to the stress of the hot water, the zooxanthellae, the little algal cells in the coral, start to become expelled from the coral. And the more that they expel, the paler and paler the coral becomes in coloration. So before too long, the coral becomes virtually pure white, because essentially you're looking through the clear tissue onto the white skeleton. The coral's not dead at that point. It still does get some food from filter feeding at night and that, but it's basically slowly starving to death. There's a lot of other animals, fish and small invertebrates that live amongst the coral, use it as home or for food. And when the coral dies, of course, these habitats are gone to these animals. Bleaching has been forecast by coral reef scientists for decades and just nobody is really listening. We definitely need to get our greenhouse gas emissions down very, very rapidly. We're not doing near enough. We're looking at the impacts of just 1 degree, back-to-back bleachings now, unprecedented on the Great Barrier Reef, and so we really need to take action very, very quickly.